threats are getting more advanced. Over the last year, you're seeing ransomware just explode. If it's not your company, it's one of your suppliers, it's one of your buyers. You can't get away from it anymore. Where it used to be you'd be able to protect yourself and not have to worry about what your supplier's doing or what your buyer's doing, now you have to worry about everybody. You can't live in a silo anymore thinking that if you just protect your own company, you're going to be safe. You have to work with your partners to really make sure you're secure. My name is Jason Koler. I am a Director of Incident Response and Threat Intelligence for Eaton Corporation. Eaton is a global manufacturer. We manufacture electrical products like UPSs, helping on the power grid. We also do things like manufacture stuff for cars. And then we make a lot of things in the industrial and aerospace as well. My team is really the response function of the cybersecurity organization. We look for threats in our organization, being proactive, and then if we don't find them and they get in our environment, we respond to them. Being in the manufacturing space and being a global company, we deal with your typical ransomware type of threats where you're looking at cyber criminals trying to extort money from you by encrypting your environment. And then we also deal with espionage. Threat actors, especially nation states, trying to steal our information. Trying to take our intellectual property so then they can reproduce the products that we make. So we did an evaluation of our ability to detect threats in our environment and understand what intelligence that we had from our current providers. And Crowdstrike was the clear winner for us based on what we wanted to do and how we wanted to defend our environment through profiling threat actors, and then be able to use that tool to be able to respond to a threat and remediate it quickly. As a manufacturing company, we look for threat actors who are targeting manufacturing, and we take that information from CrowdStrike and use it to identify potential threats in our environment. Their EDR function and their threat intelligence really allows us to be able to do that in a quick manner. We're usually real time when we get the information and be able to quickly stop the threat actors from getting in our environment. Eaton is turning into a company that is going to be moving more and more into the digital transformation, going into a cloud-first environment, going to using more IoT, which is going to put a strain on our security environment to try and protect them. As we continue to grow as a digital company, CrowdStrike's going to come along with us in that journey to help protect us.